So guys, we have our sample video on the timeline. Now for zoom in effect, select the layer, move and transform. Suppose this is our starting position. Make keyframes for both movement and scale. Then the duration of the animation, suppose 4 seconds. Select the scale, then slide from right to left for zoom in. Position the video properly. Let's see what we have. See, we have our zoom in effect. For zoom out, same, move to the starting position, move and transform, make keyframes for both movement and scale, the duration of the animation, slide left to right for zoom out. Now reposition the video and we are done. Lastly, to reposition the keyframes, just tap, hold and drag the keyframe to its new location. Also, you can delete the keyframes. Move the playhead over the keyframe, then tap on the same button to delete the keyframe. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.